You know you have to eat and breathe to survive, but do you know why? This video is going to address this question. The topic is cellular respiration. This is the process of how the food you eat and the air you breathe ultimately provide energy for the trillions of cells in your body. Let's look at the chemical reaction for cellular respiration. First, you need glucose. This is going to come from the food that you eat and break down. Next, you need oxygen. This is going to come from the air that you breathe in. Then through the process of cellular respiration, you will get carbon dioxide. So this is a waste product that you're going to breathe out. You also get water, which of course will always help hydrate your body. You will get ATP. And this is the key. This is what we want. This is the energy that your cells in your body can use. And then a byproduct is going to be heat. And that's going to do things like help maintain your body temperature. This entire process is going to occur in 3 steps. So let's take a look at these 3 steps. The first step is called glycolysis. The second step is called citric acid cycle, otherwise known as the Krebs cycle. And the third step is called electron transport chain. Later, we'll go into the detail of all of these 3 steps, but first I want to give you an overview of the process and where it occurs. So basically what's going to happen is first you are going to eat your food, and logically you're going to put that in your mouth. So excuse my poor drawing here. You eat the food. And of course, you chew, you swallow, food goes down your throat, your esophagus, your stomach. You basically digest the food all the way down into glucose. The digested glucose is going to make its way down to the small intestine. And when it's in the small intestine, the glucose will be absorbed into your blood. Then it's going to circulate over your entire body. And finally, it'll end up in every cell of your body. So let's take a look at the cell. So remember, this is the glucose is going to go through the plasma membrane. And in the cytoplasm of the cell is where we're going to get our first step, which you'll remember is glycolysis. Now, you might remember learning that the mitochondria is one of the organelles in the cytoplasm, and it's often called the powerhouse because this is where energy is produced. So because our goal here is to produce energy, we're actually going to be using this mitochondria. Draw a mitochondria here, of course, not to scale. And in the mitochondria is where steps 2 and 3 occur. So remember, 2 is the citric acid cycle, I'll abbreviate it CAC, and 3 is the electron transport chain, we'll abbreviate it ETC. So each cell will have thousands of mitochondria where this can occur. Now that we have the overview, we're ready to go through each of these steps in detail.